Hi, welcome to my channel Mathemagic with Mohsin Raza, and today I come up with a problem that came into the International Mathematical Olympiad. And if you are interested to get prepared for that exam and are you interested to see the beauty of the mathematics, then please subscribe my channel and you will get more and more interesting and complicated and difficult problem that makes you expert of maths for such kind of exams. So here the question is that says 8 raised to power x minus 1 minus 2 raised to power 3x minus 3 plus 8 equals to 0. Then what will be the value of x? So this is an exponential equation and we have to solve this exponential equation quickly. Then how we can do this? So let's see. So the equation was given this. So you can see that 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, right? So if we are going to substitute this value in here, then that will make it 2 raised to power 3 whole raised to power x minus 1, and that will make it 2 raised to power 3x times 2 raised to power minus 3, and then again here this is 8 and that can be written as 2 raised to power 3 equals to 0. So here I have used the property that says that a raised to power m plus n is the same as a raised to power mn. A raised to power m multiply a raised to power n. Okay, and here we use the property that says that if we are having an exponential power exponential, then that will give a raised to power mn. So by using these properties, we get what? We get 2 raised to power 3x to 2 raised to power minus 1. So I am using here that both of the properties here. So minus, oh sorry, that must be written in this way, that here should be minus 3. Are you getting this? So because that 3 will multiply with both, so that will give 2 raised to power minus 3, and here this is 2 raised to power 3x times 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 2 raised to power 3, and that gives equals to 0. So now you can see that what is happening here. So you can multiply 2 raised to power minus 3 to the whole equation and you will get what? You will get 2 raised to power 3x minus 2 raised to power 3x, and here that will make 2 raised to power 6 equals to 0, which makes 2 raised to power 6 equals to 0. What it shows? That it shows that we are having a non-negative numbers which is coming to be 0, which means that there will be no value of x that will satisfy this equation. So this is a contradiction of the fact that non-zero number is coming to be a 0. So from here we can conclude that there would be no solution to this problem. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please subscribe the channel for more interesting and exciting videos. Thank you.